In today's video, I'll show you how to build a professional business website using Durable AI. First, we will start on the Google search page and type in Durable AI, then click on the first link to open the platform. Once the homepage loads, click on the Start for Free button right in the center. In the business type field, type in Home Cleaning and hit Next. When it asks for your monthly revenue, select Just Starting and click Next. A pop-up will ask for your language preference, so go ahead and click Use English. Next, highlight the location field, clear it out, and type in FI to select Philippines from the drop-down menu, then click Next. For the business name, click on the See Some Suggestions link to open the name generator. Scroll through the options, select Shine on Services, click Use This, and then click Next. On the Details step, simply click the Start Building button. Now, wait a brief moment while the platform generates your business foundation, website layout, and AI tools. Once the dashboard loads, click Edit Website at the top. We can scroll down to inspect the generated sections, then scroll back up to make some edits. Click on the main description paragraph and select Make Longer from the AI menu to expand the text. Next, click Edit on the section image. Scroll through the available stock photos, select a cleaning bottle image, and click Done. Now, click Themes in the top menu to view layout options, then click back to Editor and select Customize. Click Color Palette, select a new color scheme, and click Done. Next, click Corners to adjust the button styling, then click Fonts, scroll to select Oswald, and click Done. Finally, click Preview to view the desktop version, then click Publish in the top right. Click the purple Publish Website button, and once it is ready, click View Website to see your live site open in a new tab. And that's it. That's how you build a professional business website using Durable AI.